So snake fire is like this one.
Get ready.
Welcome back again for another key mapping video, and for this video we'll be key mapping the snake fire using RAWM and or miracle game. So let's go. Let's start. So snake fire is like this one. See, that's the snake fire. I call it snake fire because it looks like a snake when doing that. So before you do the snake fire key mapping, just go to settings first. Enable the peak settings, and the peak mode should be on top. Let's open RAWM, adjust config. So you make any buttons. If you want to press a button, just press a button. See? So if you want to select a button, just click here and you can select button. So I'll be using this. So let's choose U. Let's add. So first you need to put this on the fire button. So our fire button is here. So click this, double click this and choose assistant shooting. Okay, so we will put this later on top of the firing button. So for the meantime, let's put it on here. Right. So let's add another. So EU again. So this time double click this, choose macro definition, edit. So first macro, double click this, leave this as it is. So this one, let's make this 255. Click normal click. Okay, put this on here. Let's add another button. So same, let's do the same here. Click normal click, leave this as it is, and we will only be changing this to 0.255. Put this on here. Let's add another button. Double click. You don't need to do anything here. Okay, put this on the crouch. So this will be the set 1, and we will do up to set 4. So let's click again. It's only change here. Put this on here. Another button. Only change this. Third button. This will be our set 2. Put it on here. So this will be our set 3. 255. So the higher this value is, the slower the snake fire. Set 3. So set 4, we're on set 4. 255. So once again, the higher the value is, the slower the snake fire, and the lower the value is, the faster the snake fire. 255. So it's up to you of what value you will use. Just play with the values. So finish. Apply. Okay. So let's press the U, and it will do like that. See? We need to add a termination button. So let's add it. This is the U. So this is our macro. So termination button, let's add. So okay. So if you choose this, the pressing the button to show, you should do that on here. It will appear like this. So you need to press a button. But if you choose this and you go to our macro, add a button, it will show like this. So I suggest that you choose here. So macro, termination button, any termination button you want, but for me I will just choose jump. Okay. Okay. So this will be press macro definition, press the trigger and the termination button. Okay. Okay. Apply. That's it. So if you press the U, so if you press the U, okay, we will press the U again, and we press jump to terminate, and it terminates the macro. So let's back the first U, this one. We've already enabled the assistant shooting. Okay, put this on the fire button, apply. Okay, so if we press the U, press and hold the letter U, so you can see it goes up. So this icon here will be the no recoil function. So you can set the no recoil here. So press this. So since we have a no recoil function on the left mouse click and the letter U, always click here first. So as you can see, this will be my left mouse click, and this is the macro that we made, the letter U. So click this, click U. As you can see, you can change this to your preferred values. So let's say 20, apply, and if we press and hold the letter U, see, there's now a gun lowering. So let's press again the letter U. See, you'll notice that there's a gun lowering. So there's now no recoil, almost no recoil. So that's all for this video, and I hope that you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more game mapping tutorials just like this one, gaming tutorials, do it yourself tutorials, reviews, and other content. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.